What's up, y'all? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the area of any polygon. Now, a polygon is just any shape that does not have a rounded edge. So just lines and corners. All right, let's get started. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is make a rectangle. So RECT, the rectangle, and let's find the area of it. It's very simple. Type in area, enter, and click on every single corner of the shape you want to find the area. Enter, and we can see it right here. Just above the command bar, it says area equals 1.9479. So very specific. All right. Now, notice how these bars above the command bar begin to fade away after a few seconds. And now I can't get them back anymore. So what if I want to see it longer than just 3 seconds? I mean, I can't remember. That was a big number. Okay, here's how to fix that. All right, so you go to the command bar and you look at these dots, the dotted line on the left side. Click and hold it. You can drag it. You can put the command bar anywhere you want. But to fix this problem, you drag the command bar down, like further down. I don't know how else to say it. Just drag it down, and it will turn into a bigger command bar. And now you can see those faded lines that disappeared. They're here again, and now they're here to stay. We have area equals 1.9479. If you put your cursor over this gray bar area, you can scroll and see basically a history of everything that you've done in this drawing. So you can scroll up and, like, if you forgot, the area of the shape that you were dealing with, 3 shapes ago, you could scroll through this and find that area again. Okay, cool. So let's just leave this the command bar like this for this video. So we found the area of a rectangle. Now I'm going to show you how to find the area of a pentagon. So let's type in poly, so P-O-L. If you type in P-O-L, the first option is polygon. So we're going to make a polygon and enter. And now you see the highlighted number to the right of my cursor. It asks you to put in the number of sides for that shape that you want. So since I want to do a pentagon, we want 5 sides. So I'm going to do 5, enter. And I'm just going to make a pentagon right here. Let's make it, it really doesn't matter which one you do. I'm just going to do inscribed in the circle. Oh, let's see here. Okay, let's say this is our pentagon. And gotta drag up here. Okay, I want to find the area of this pentagon. Okay, so let's just do the exact same thing we did before, area. And then we have to click the corner, every single corner. Enter. And there's our area of the pentagon, 1.0296. And then it even gives you the perimeter as a bonus. All right, let's do something a little bit more complicated. Now, but it's very useful. I just want to say it's very useful. Some of you probably remember one of these problems from your geometry days. Whoops, let's not do that. I'm going to pan, just bring this to the middle. Okay, and you probably remember one of these problems, and it said, find the area of the shaded region. And in the problem, it would have everything on the outside shaded here, but inside the rectangle, it was not shaded. So it was basically asking you to find all this area outside the rectangle, but inside the pentagon. How do we do that? Well, if you remember how to do that, you basically just find the area of the big shape, and then you subtract the area of the little shape. Well, I don't really want to pull out my calculator because I could find the area of both and subtract one from the other, but that would be a lot of work. I'm going to show you how to do it so that AutoCAD does the math for you. All right, the first thing we're going to do is type area. And before we start clicking anything here, I want us to look down at our command bar options. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is add area. So that's going to be the big area of the pentagon. And then later, we are going to click subtract area. And so we're going to subtract the area of the rectangle. So first, let's click add area. Okay. Enter. And now we go down here and click subtract area. Enter. And voila. So the you can see here it says area equals 0.1698. This is the area of the red region, but it says total area. So total area is, in other words, the green region. Total area is 0.8598. So this is the red region, and the total area is the green region. All right, well, thank you very much.